welcome to another adventure in Binging with Bathers. I'm joined by a special guest today, who is known as the worst baker ever. Say hello to Jonathan.
Howdy! I'm the best baker, actually. I'm gonna show you how to make my famous grandma's peach teeth bandmates cousins.
No, we're actually making peanut butter cookies. The best ones you'll ever make in your life. You'll need all-purpose flour, egg, baking powder, butter, vanilla extract, sugar, brown sugar, and of course, peanut butter. First, you have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
The first real step is adding your dry ingredients. Add your baking powder, pour some sugar, and then you're just gonna whisk it lightly just like Grandma did, such as they mix.
Next, add your butter, sugar, and brown sugar. Cream your sugar, brown sugar, and butter. Once fully creamed, add your peanut butter.
The final thing is to add your vanilla extract. The final thing is the egg.
As I look at these eggs, I don't think of them as merely baking ingredients.
John?
I think of the lives they could have lived, crushing their innocent lives, dead, on the ground, spilled with the yolk. It didn't have to be this way.
Anywho, let's slowly add our dry ingredients. Once you have a proper dough, work it in with your hands and create uniform spheres and place them on the baking tray. Using a fork, press into the dough and then turn the fork 90 degrees and repeat. This should make a crisscross pattern on the top of the cookie. That's how you make the easiest cookies ever. Even the worst baker in the world can do it. And if they can do it, so can you.